before we met, I already had the framework for these programs, but you really had me put them together in packaging and helping me to put together all the different skills I have and my vision and my practices to have something that's really well packaged and well put together. I'm really glad about that.
Yeah, congratulations. And you sold your first few people into those packages. So, first we
Yeah.
got the offers together, and then we worked on doing your first few solo workshops. So, tell us the process of how you got the workshops scheduled into the calendar and got the space available in the yoga studio. So, these were in person workshops.
Yeah, that's something I wanted to do for a long time. And like you said, I only did them in as a guest in someone else's workshop. And I did try to launch a workshop on my own in November, but didn't really work. Like I had one person signing up. But with working with you, putting the workshop together, it was really successful. And I had a lot of people coming and really happy at the end. And I realized that I really love doing that. So that was extra bonus for me. But the first workshop I did was a free workshop, the first one, because I maybe need to also say that what I'm doing is also new and unknown in Sweden. So obviously you need to make people want to try something new and get out of the comfort zone.
How
So
did you do that? Because people are like, ooh,
yeah, so it was a lot of work on the message,
yeah.
and the fact that it was free was obviously it's attractive. And then I put it everywhere on social media, on Instagram. I created a Facebook event and then I shared it with all my network and asked my network to share it. We got more and more visibility. I think the delivery, the message was very important.
Mhm.
And the Instagram stories sequences you had me with was also something very important because I think initially I was scared of being too repetitive. And I think maybe it's the concern of other entrepreneurs when you're trying to launch something or no, but I already talked about that a few days ago. People have seen it, but like you said, they don't necessarily see it. And some people need to say it several times before thinking, yeah, I really want to try that.